Loud. Why so loud?
What?
Yes.
Amazon's got little houses for my Christmas village.
What car?
What you mean make it?
The Skyline.
Okay.
By changing the curve mix and max to 1.9, it spins now. It feels normal. I just want to race it. I like this car a lot.
All right.
Box body. Box body. Oh, look at that. Biden.
Oh yeah, you're gonna like the stickers on this one.
My goodness. Let's go ahead and take it.
You on the highway?
R34.
Use a hoe.
Fuel economy.
Hey man, I'm on niggas. Hey, it's Chase a race.
Yeah, issue. Where did you go?
And these GoPros in this thing.
Over here.
I know. I want to be, a little bit different tonight.
Well, you don't bring the show car to the drag event.
This nigga bring the R34, bro.
Come here, Voodoo.
Nah, like my friend had it built for me and P2, the homie P2. This is probably like what, 4 years ago they gave.
Dang, Righteous, why you crushed this? Why you crushed this sprunk bottle?
They had a white body 4 years ago.
Oh shit, there's still a bunch of cars in here. Alright, we out.
Airport.
It's
Oh.
Oh, SIA.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to use that one.
Alright, because we're gonna create shirts for the in game with the cruise logos that are actually play and take.
Do I get one too?
Well, a shirt?
This car is way
Of course.
I love this.
Half off. Because you don't need a extra
50% off using the promo code Pro Street Arby's.
I mean, I'm the only one in our little crew that's actually a little bit currently.
You talking about skizzy fit, nigga?
Maybe I am.
Whiplash right there, okay.
Walking laps around the pool, leg presses. Yeah.
Basically the fifth line, hill line.
Hold on, let me get the line, let me get the flashlight.
It's even.
Dang, GT 500 out. GT 500 out.
Ooh, that was close. Right lane by a bumper.
Goodness.
Wait, right lane?
Right lane?
For me on right lane, yeah, for like a bumper.
Homeless.
Sure about that? Sure about that?
For me, yeah, it was bumper to bumper for me. Yes, for me, it was bumper to bumper.
Wow.
Yeah, we were right next to each other. On my screen. But I was looking straight.
Fucking G6 said he got it, so.
Oh, he told me it was.
No, it's not the same line.
I thought they were the same.
Spot almost bad.
It is.
He paid 90 for that.
Wait till you see it. You're gonna be like,
Is it gonna be for me?
You're gonna be like,
My daddy.
You got your tune set? 919?
The clothing pack.
Don't worry about
it. For some people.
The higher the clothing number is, the makes it look like a different. It's like some old clothing.
Damn, they. Oh, there he goes.
And there's Jippy, bye.
Damn, slam to the ground.
oh shit. I look,
Right lane.
truck out it.
Oh, this boy.
Super gone.
Dang.
Dude, you see it shifting?
Yeah.
You see it? You can physically see it shifting.
Yo, we can do that again after all the races are done if you want.
So many we're running right now.
No, I know Dusty.
Yeah, he is running right now.
Already too fast. If your truck wasn't so fast already.
Oh, he popped the tire. Oh!
I was gonna say, I had a tire go there.
Yeah, he wrecked.
He wrecked.
He fucking wrecked.
No.
Not the K70.
You stupid cats.
Oh no, not the K70.
Nah, you got it.
Damn, bro, I'm glad you had your helmet on.
Yeah, man, I'm glad I had it on too.
Yeah, that hoodie protected you,
Yeah.
man. Oh,
Yeah,
crazy,
man. Damn.
That's undeniable crazy.
Hey, Bane on the
Hold on.
white?
Work's been going good though.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good to hear.
I don't know where it's going, bro. It's going the opposite way that, you know what?
Why is there a car in the middle of the...
God damn it.
Hey.
Watch the light. Stupid.
Oh shit.
Left over.
Right lane?
You got gas, nigga.
You lied.
That's why you lost to a freaking SUV. No, I was playing.
You did that.
You fucked me up.
Drippy can't call up. I can't call up.
Go.